Hi, my name's Miles Jovian, and I'm an actor who's worked with Boxed Clever Theatre for a number of years. I played the part of Cal in the Hate Play between 2018 and 2019. Cal was very much the middleman, friends with everyone, didn't really want to upset anyone, and in doing so, some of the decisions he made led to him not being able to support one of his friends. And if he'd have made different decisions, he could have really changed the outcome. I'm now going to read you a small extract from the Hate Play, which we all feel resonates with some of the things that are happening today. Thanks. What are you talking about? Loathing and derision. She's a friend. She has always been a friend. Listen, man, you ain't making sense. You see something that I can't see, so tell me what you see. Don't keep it to yourself. Share it with the world. We'll all be impressed. Tell me something. Why are you so full of hate? You're all tensed up. You're coiled up like a spring, ready, steady to attack anything. I can see it in your face. I can see it in your eyes. It's the way you're standing. It's the way you move your arms. It ain't natural. And it ain't right. You're always looking for a fight. I'm out of here. Later.